All right, so today we're going to continue working on with area and perimeter. And we got two small little problems here. So this first one, A, our perimeter is going to be 20 centimeters. If our perimeter is equal to 20 centimeters, our area is equal to 24 square centimeters. So we have to start figuring out what two numbers with our length and our width would get us an area of 24 centimeters. So I need to start thinking about the different factors of 24. So we're going to have 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. And I believe that is going to be all of them. So now we need to start thinking about perimeter and how we can get a perimeter of 20 by having lengths and widths of these sizes. So 1 and 24 are not going to work for length and width because that's already over 20 centimeters. So those aren't going to work. So we can try 2 and 12. 2 and 12. And that's also going to get us over 20 because 12 plus another 12 is going to be equal to 24. So that's already over. We got two more choices left. Let's see if 3 and 8 could work. So if 8's that side, 8 is on that side, that is 16. Plus 3 is 19, plus another 3 is 22, so that wouldn't get us our perimeter. So now we got to plug in 4 and 6 and see what we get. If 6 is on that side, that means 6 is on this side, and 4 is over here on the bottom. 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is going to be equal to 20 centimeters. So we know our length and our width are going to be 4 and 6 centimeters. All right, and similarly, we have another rectangle here of 24 square meters. So again, we need to keep up with that same strategy in listing our factors of 24. Factors, remember you're breaking them apart. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. And now we need to get a perimeter of 28. So we got to see if 1 and 24 would work. Those are switched. My apologies. This would be 24. This would be 1. That's already, if we added another 24 from the other side, you're at 48. That would be too much. So that one's off the table. 12 and 2 seems like a good start here. If 12 is on that side, that means 12 is on this side. 2 is on top. 12 plus 12 is 24. 2 plus 2 is 4. 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. That is our perimeter. Remember to label your widths and your lengths. And that is how you find area and perimeter of unknown lengths and widths.